Installation guide video. At the installation location, use a marker to mark the installation points. Use a drill to make holes at the marked points. Gently tap the expansion screw into the drilled hole. Fix the back plate in the hole using screws. Place the charging pile on a foam pad to avoid scratching the cover. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws at the indicated position on the back cover. Pass the input cable through the indicated position. Loosen the nut properly before passing through. Slowly remove the screws from the input terminal using a screwdriver. Avoid the screws falling into the machine interior. Recommended torque 101 to N. Connect the corresponding cables to the corresponding input terminals one by one to avoid the terminals falling into the machine. Recommended torque 101 to N. Tighten the cover screw. Snap the buckle on the back of the charging pile onto the mounting backplate, and ensure it is securely installed. Fix the charging pile to the installation back panel using screws.